welcome to Bree's Pastry House. Today, we're baking something fun and festive, Halloween pumpkin cheesecake bar. If you love delicious desserts and creative baking ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. And make sure to watch till the end. I'll be sharing my secret tip to make your Halloween pumpkin cheesecake bar perfectly and full of flavor. Ginger snap crust. Ingredients: ginger snap cookies. Crush them into fine crumbs from a food processor or a bag. Plus rolling pin, brown sugar, unsalted butter. Melted bake it at 325 degrees for 8 minutes, then cool it while making the filling. Pumpkin cheesecake filling ingredients: cream cheese, granulated sugar, cornstarch, salt. Whole egg and egg yolk, vanilla extract, softened pumpkin puree, cinnamon, ground ginger, nutmeg, cloves. Optional, bake it at 325 degrees for 28 to 35 minutes. Then cool completely before placing it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. If you'd like to know how to make maple pecan drizzle, stay tuned.